Okay, what's up honey babes? Welcome back to the queendom. Before we jump into today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and without further ado, let's get started. Today we are going to be doing my first wash day routine since getting my hair cut and colored from the damage from the braids. I just wanted to point out to you guys the 3 different textures I have in my hair. The bottom, the curls are a lot softer. As you get to the middle, it's very kinky and curly, and at the top it's just right. I don't know what's been going on with my curls, but they really needed this cut and refresh, and I'm going to be trying some new products today, so let's jump right in. I'm going to start with the Mielle Rosemary and Mint Strengthening Shampoo. Hopefully this restores some of the strength back into my hair after it was broken off from my braided style. Just want to make sure I'm lathering good. I'm using my scalp brush to make sure I'm getting a good clean. Next, I'm going to go in with the Twist 4-in-1 Hydrating Conditioner. This is my first time using it, and for some reason the bottle was giving me so much trouble. But it is supposed to bring back moisture into my hair, the moisture that I'm currently lacking. If you can see, my hair does look very dry after shampooing. I am going to go in with my detangling brush just to make sure my hair is fully detangled, because like I said, it was looking dry and feeling very dry after shampooing, and I just want to make sure the conditioner is coating everywhere in my head. After combing the conditioner through, my hair feels much softer and the slip feels much better. It's not as dry. You can see a huge difference from when I was washing out the shampoo. Next, I'm going to go in with the Shea Moisture Power Greens Reconstructor. What this is supposed to help with is minimize breakage and strengthen my weak strands. Like I said, there's been a lot of breakage. My hair has been dry, so I just want to make sure I'm restoring moisture and strength. I'm going to wide tooth comb this through to make sure I'm coating all my strands, and then shower cap.
Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay babes, I'm back. It has been 15 minutes. It is time to rinse out this deep conditioner. My hair feels so much softer and I feel like it's much more hydrated. You can really notice the difference from when I first stepped into the shower to now. I love this product combination for wash day. I'm out of the shower. My curl pattern is looking great. My hair feels soft. It is now time to style. We're going to start with the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Just a few pumps. I don't section my hair when I'm applying my leave-in conditioner, so I'm just going to finger comb that leave-in conditioner through my hair until my hair is fully coated. Then I'm going to go in and section my hair into about 4 different sections. Since I got this cut, I'm going to try a new way and section my hair by the different hair textures. I'm going to go in and style using the Twist Weather Up Lotion and the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I always go in with 2 creams. I just feel like it helps define my curls and actually helps give me a little bit more volume. You want to use about a dime-sized amount per section because you don't want to weigh your hair down, especially if you're using 2 creams. The Weather Up cream is lighter and the smoothie is a little thicker. I'm then going to go in with the wet brush and section my sections a little bit smaller and brush my hair in an upward motion to create volume. I find using the wet brush also helps create a little bit more definition in my curls. You don't want to use the sections too big or too small. What happens if you do it too big is your hair is going to clump, and if you do the sections too small, your hair is going to look really stringy. So you want to find the perfect section amount for your hair. I'm just going to go in and repeat all of these steps for every section in my hair. Bye. now done styling with the creams. My hair is looking so good. I'm also going to go in with my microfiber towel just to scrunch out any excess product that may be in my hair. I am then going to go in with the Curlsmith Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. You really want to use a very small amount and not too much gel in your curls because you don't want to make your hair very casty and ramen noodle like. So you just want to rub it between your hands and then scrunch it in. Never finger comb, never brush, never do anything with gel but scrunch it in. Now I'm just going to let my hair air dry and we're going to wait for the finishing results. I'm loving the back. I'm loving this product combination because I feel like the back of my hair is finally starting to blend in. This cut was the step in the right direction. It's just what I needed. Okay, babes, it's been about 5 hours, but my hair is finally dry. I didn't go outside or anything, so I fully air dried in the house. I do love this combination because the back of my hair is finally starting to blend and look like, a fro. I will say I don't like that it looks so stringy, but I am going to go in with this Twist Curl Rain Multi-Use Oil. This is my first time using it, but what this oil is going to help with is fluffing and scrunching my hair, and it's going to break the cast of that gel and just give my hair that fluff that I'm looking for. Babes, I'm finished fluffing the one side and just look at the difference already. The curls are much more fluffier and less stringy. Now we're going to go in and repeat the same to the other side and the back of my head. Let's just take a small moment to appreciate the definition that these curls have. Ugh. I just want to say these Twist and Miel products are the truth, you guys. My hair looks amazing. I really haven't been feeling it since the cut, but after washing and styling it myself, I'm in love. Now that I'm fully done fluffing, I'm going to go in with my Spriggle hair pick. I will link it for you guys on Amazon. My biggest thing about picking my hair out is focusing on the bottom of my hair. The bottom of my hair just doesn't get as much fluff and poof as the top of my hair. And I like my hair big, so I find that picking my hair just gives me that volume that I am looking for. Okay, babes, I am all done fluffing and picking my hair out. This is the finished results. I am loving my hair, you guys. I'm actually so excited for this curl journey. The back is really starting to come along. If you do notice that top layer right there, that's my really kinky area, and then that bottom layer there is my soft curl. But everything is blending in well, you guys. I am so excited to start this curl journey and so excited to see where it takes us. I will be bringing regular updates for you guys. And that is it, babes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the Queendom and turn on your post notification bells because I do shout outs at the end of every single video. And before we go, babes, this one goes to Sasha Munez. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I love you, babes.